Bonjour! In today's video, we are going to be making vegan Rasta pasta. If you've ever been to Footprints in Brooklyn, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. It is the most delicious and filling meal, and I found a way to veganize it. But first, to the grocery store to get some ingredients. By the way, if you are looking for some simple coconut milk, this one right here is amazing. On nous fait manger. We're slicing up the peppers to get those ready for the pasta later on. Now moving on to the stove, melting vegan butter onto the hex-clad skillet. Then we're adding minced garlic and some scallions. After about 20 seconds, we're adding in flour and using a whisk to mix it all up. Next, we're adding the vegetable broth, and then we're waiting for it to thicken up. Once it thickens up, it's time to add the coconut milk, nutritional yeast, and a few scoops of jerk seasoning before whisking again. I'll leave my favorite in the description box below. Now it's time to add 2 teaspoons thyme and some black pepper and wait for the roux to thicken. Once it's nice and thick, that's when we add the bell pepper and coat it completely in the Rasta pasta sauce. We're going to put the stove on low for about 5 minutes or so and cover it up. Once the pasta is ready, we're going to mix it all up. Yippee, that's it. This is a simple one pot, one skillet recipe that you can do for the whole family. I'm going to warn you though, this is not going to last long in your house. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Until next time, peace.